Hey, I'm Dan Wentworth. Welcome to my Membervio review and demo video. I'm going to show you inside of the members area and my awesome custom bonuses I've created for you. I'll also show you the prices and the upsells for the product. You will see the steps and how to use Membervio software. If you're interested in seeing how the software works, stick with me. And if you're new to my channel, remember to hit the like and subscribe button and also the bell icon to stay up to date with any new videos from me. If you click on the first link in the description below, you'll come to my bonus page. It's been a while since Neil Napier has launched a big product. And this is big. And it's been worth the wait. This is a VO product that has never hit the marketplace before. And the review video you are watching now is all about Membervio. The membership platform that's safe and easy to use and is redefining the way we see membership sites. You're invited to attend a live webinar happening on the launch day. Excuse me. The 14th of October at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, New York time. So that you can be eligible to win a free copy of this powerful course creating software to be given away at this big launch. So mark the date on your calendar and click on the link in the description to get a reminder. So, what is Membervio? It's an all-in-one cloud-based platform that lets you easily launch membership websites that showcases your knowledge and expertise. It increases engagement, signs up paying members and gets recurring payment with zero hassles and no tech skills required. With Membervio, you'll become an authority in any niche. You can publish and sell e-learning courses in just a matter of minutes by using the state-of-the-art technology. That is how powerful the Membervio software is. The membership site editor gives you the creative license to edit your pages to suit your customers and to suit your requirements. With Membervio, it's easy to mass import and export members to a CSV file, which you can view in Google Sheets or Excel docs. The ready-made welcome emails can be customized for any language and content to suit your needs. You get an overview of all of your members and how they're progressing through the worksheets and logs. Major steps have been taken to ensure that the content is secure. All of your work is fully protected with this software so that it will not be possible for anyone to simply copy content and images from your course material and claim it as their own. All of your pages are password protected, and it has a sharing feature like ClickFunnels. You have the ability to share content. You can export lessons, modules, and even your whole site to someone who also has Membervio. So, think about the share feature that ClickFunnels has. This is a great feature, especially for those who want to literally sell reseller rights to the membership site. They will love this feature. Okay, there's seamless integration with major payment providers like PayPal, Stripe, Paddle, ClickBank, and more. Your options are to learn code and develop your own course software. You can purchase other course products like Kajabi and Teachable that are much more expensive and have to be paid off monthly to retain it, and the costs will spiral out of control. Plus, your content is not as well protected. Not anymore. Not when you purchase Membervio. Get the new way of monetizing your knowledge by clicking the link in the description of this video, and you'll be free of any monthly fees. Now that sounds like a better option to me.
Imagine if in just a few minutes you could monetize your knowledge, keep it protected, and deliver it while keeping 100% of your profits. Hey there, Neil Napier and his team have been working for the past few years to create a way for you to earn with the stuff you know, and to do this without dealing with complicated technology. So pay close attention, because today I am giving you the keys to the membership site kingdom. The e-learning market is currently valued at over $165 billion, and it will continue to grow. After today, you will have a chance to securely and surely take a slice of this pie. You can tap into that market and be up and running in 3 simple steps and in less than 60 seconds. Look, the best way for you to sell your knowledge is through a secure membership site. But most membership platforms aren't as secure as they should be. Some basic membership platforms allow easy download of your video content, and some don't even password protect your pages. Today, we are going to change that. You see, before today, you had 2 options for creating your membership site. You could learn to code and create one from scratch. Yeah, doesn't sound very easy or fast, does it? And it's difficult to keep it secure from online thieves. Or you could pay a monthly fee to platforms like Kajabi and Teachable. That could get very expensive very quickly as your bills pile up. Plus, your content is not protected very well because, well, they just don't care, just as long as you keep paying their monthly fees. But our new way of monetizing your knowledge isn't like that. You'll be free from the stress and hassle of creating a membership site from scratch, and you'll be free of monthly fees too. Plus, we take the security of your content very seriously. More on that later. With what I'm about to share, you can create a membership site for any niche, any topic. And now, with no monthly fees and the best security available today. Our solution will not only save you money, but it will put you ahead of 99.99% of the competition out there. Plus, you can do it without actually creating any courses yourself. We'll show you how. Our proven platform, proven to the tune of over $8 million in sales, makes it easy to attract new customers and keep them coming back for more. Presenting Membervio. Membervio is a membership platform that emphasizes low technical overhead, ease of use, and most importantly, the security of your content. Membervio can get you earning with just 3 simple steps. First, add your course to Membervio. Second, customize and set the pricing. And then, publish and sell to start seeing those profits roll in. We created Membervio to bring online success to anyone who wants to monetize their knowledge, and we've helped countless other people do exactly that. You see, we aren't new to this game. We've been selling early versions of what we now call Membervio.
I want to show my bonus offer. Daniel Wentworth Wicked Bonus Bundle for Membervio. If you sign up to the webinar, you stand a chance to win a free copy of Membervio and more prizes. This is what Membervio software is like. This is my review page with all the OTOs, and Here's some of the key benefits you may be interested in. Automate, connect and automate everything there about your business in one place. Your content, your marketing, your transactional emails, and your products. Analytics, view reports to see how customers are engaging with your business. Get paid. Simple, seamless integration with PayPal, Stripe, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and 6 more platforms get you paid easier and faster. Security, that's a big one. We protect your content like no one else is doing today. Includes done-for-you courses. Get earning right away with our included top-notch courses you can sell as your own. And it's easy, there's no technical skills required, nothing to download or install, and it's fully cloud-based. Here's my first bonus, how to write compelling headlines. Learn exactly how to write killer headlines that will captivate your audience instantly. Bonus number 2, your content marketing guide. Make more money with less effort using these killer content marketing tips. Content is king. And another bonus, my third bonus is SEO and ranking, tracking tactics. How to rank higher in Google and in whatever is it now, YouTube, of course. Right, get the insider tips on the tools you need to track your SEO rankings like a pro. Those are my bonuses, and they will be available for a few days only. Make your mark. This is what my page looks like, my review page, and the bonuses for Membervio. Hope you enjoy.
In this demo, I want to give you an overview of how Membervio works. You can see here we have a whole bunch of products in our membership site. I'm going to show you one of them right here. Let us look at our Smart Academy product. And here are the modules that we have in our Smart Academy. Here's the introduction, the various modules, including some worksheets and checklists. We'll get to that a little bit later. I just want to give you an overview of what it looks like now. So as you come in, you will see the lessons right over here. So it starts with this section called Social Community Secrets, then an introduction about what the lesson is. You can see down on the left side, you have the ability to move from one section to the other just by clicking. Now we are in section 2 here. You can have many lessons under one section to make sure to cover your content exactly how you want it. As you can see in this module, there are lots of sections and lessons. And then we get to the end of the module. Here is a place for some feedback and then some tracking where our students can mark that they have finished the lesson. You can navigate with the menu on the left side. That is the basic interface of a finished product, a finished course. So this is the basic layout of what it will look like to your customers and your students. Now let us take a look at how we can actually create a course inside of Membervio from scratch. Let us hop onto Smart Product sections here. Let's click on a new product and we're going to create a membership product. Click on the next step. We are going to call our product Influencer Marketing. Then a brief description. We will add here, this is a training on being an influencer in marketing. Then we add our course image right here. Find our image and select it to add. So we're going to click here and navigate to our images, select it and upload. Now we can do some simple editing right over here. We can crop it or rotate it, get it looking the way we want it to, and just confirm our changes. And then our product support link, we can add the cancellation and refund policy as well. All the pieces that complete your sales process. You can also choose to be notified when your product is sold. We're going to go to our next step here. In this step, we're going to add pricing. What do we want to set our pricing for this product? You see, we have a variety of payment platform integrations. On this account, we have a bunch of them set up. And you can have all of them set up if you would like. Right here we've got PayPal, Paddle, Stripe, and JVZoo, and you can have a few others as well. I'm going to make this particular course for free right now. Then after selecting the price of free, we're going to add the price variant by clicking over here. Your price variants will be listed here. You can also have a variety of different pricing models. We then set the name of our price, maybe let's say November sale, regular price. Ours is just free in this case. We'll add a description if needed, no charge. Then the thank you page that you want people to go to. We're going to send them to the default thank you page. Then we can limit who can actually purchase it, or if anyone can. And then we're going to go to the next step. We can add actions here. More on that in just a little bit. We're going to go to the next step, and now we can set up how we deliver this course. We want to send a welcome email, and we can personalize it too. It includes by default their login information and a link to their course login page. All that is automated and ready for you. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Product. The product has been successfully created. Now we've got the framework to put our product in, that is, upload our course into. And here it is, influencer marketing. Let's go ahead and edit that. So we're going to click over here. Of course, we do not have any modules just as yet because we just created the skeleton of this course. Click on create a new module. Here's the image we uploaded earlier. We're going to call our new module introduction because it is the first lesson, first module, and a new description as well, introducing influencer marketing. So let's go ahead and create a new module. Now our module has been created. We can go ahead and add a new lesson. What's the lesson name? Let's call it Intro Vid.
Click on my link to go to the webinar training which kicks off on 14 October 2021. You will be able to get the front end of Membervio for an early bird price of only $67, once off payment, and the product is fully guaranteed. Click on the link in the description to find out how to get an early bird access to this amazing software and as well as access to my exclusive bonuses which I've put together for you if you decide to make your purchase of Membervio using my link, the one in the description below. Thank you.